Preemption is rooted in the Constitution's Supremacy Clause. With preemption, federal laws take precedence over state laws if they both address the same subject matter. But what if it isn't clear whether the federal law preempts state law? In Rice v. Santa Fe Elevator, the court adopts an interpretative presumption with the goal of limiting preemption and protecting state autonomy. The Rice partnership stored its grain in Santa Fe Elevator's warehouses in Illinois. Santa Fe was licensed to store grain under a federal law, the United States Warehouse Act. Congress passed the Warehouse Act in 1916. The act called for dual state and federal regulation of grain warehouses. As originally enacted, the act stated that it shouldn't be construed to conflict with state regulations relating to grain warehouses. The act also required applicants for federal grain warehouse licenses to comply with state law. The Warehouse Act was later amended to give the federal government exclusive authority over licensing under the act. Congress removed the requirement that federal licensees comply with state law. Rice complained to the Illinois Commerce Commission, which enforced state law on grain warehouses. Rice claimed that Santa Fe violated state law by charging unreasonable rates, mixing different grades of grain, and failing to provide adequate facilities, among other violations. In defense, Santa Fe pointed to its federal license, granted under the Federal Warehouse Act. Santa Fe sought to dismiss the state commission's proceedings on the ground that the federal act preempted the commission's authority. The commission denied the motion to dismiss. Santa Fe sued Rice and the commission in federal court, seeking to enjoin the commission's proceedings. The court dismissed the case, reasoning that the state commission had authority to proceed against Santa Fe. The Circuit Court of Appeals reversed. It reasoned that federal law, the Warehouse Act, preempted state regulation. Rice and the commission petitioned the Supreme Court for cert.